Speaker, House of Representatives, Honorable Abbas Tajudeen has restated the pivotal role of local government councils in driving development and ensuring governance reaches citizens at the grassroots. Speaking at a national retreat and workshop for local government chairmen across the country, the Speaker noted that effective implementation and enforcement of bylaws are essential for good governance at the community level. The Speaker, represented by Honorable Pascal Agbodike, advised the enforcement of these laws should be given serious attention, calling for improved mechanisms to ensure compliance and accountability at the local level.
It is the responsibility of the local government council to bring the activities of government to the grassroots. The bylaws being made by the local government council are very important to govern people from the rural area. But I must also advise that the enforcement of those laws should be properly looked into.
As we embark on this retreat, our first focus will be on the bylaw making process. We will delve into strategies that empower local governments to create impactful bylaws that cater for the unique needs of their communities.
Minister of Special Duties and National President of the Association of Local Governments of Nigeria, ALGON, Mr. Bello Lawal, called for stronger mechanisms for compliance and accountability in local government administration.
There's need for continuous training of both executive and legislative arms at the local level on legislative drafting, constitutionalism and policy analysis. Collaboration with state houses of assembly. We need to ensure bylaws are in sync with state laws and federal laws to avoid conflicts or duplication. Institutionalization of public participation. Local executives must prioritize community engagement in bylaw development process.
This call by the Revenue Mobilization Allocation and Fiscal Commission provides us a rare opportunity to ensure that local governments, being the closest tier to the people, have a direct and impactful voice in the national fiscal architecture. ALGON will not relent until local governments are fairly empowered with the resources needed to meet the expectation of our people in line with the 1999 Constitution as amended.